Okay, so now I'm going to share the most frequent use commands. Okay, what are the commands which we use more frequently? Personally, I use more frequently, that I'll share, and where you'll get all the shortcuts. Okay, and first you need to select the notebook here. The moment you select the notebook, then just press H. All the related shortcuts you will be able to locate about the Jupyter notebook. Whatever shortcut in general we have of various command, various functions, you will be able to right away able to visualize, and based on that, whichever you frequently use, make a note of it and practice. What are the shortcut I personally use? Let me share that. So first and foremost is, if I select this line, I'll show you some example. So one activity is how many ways we can learn. These shortcuts are divided into two sections. One is, control, the cell shortcut and editable panel shortcuts. So cell shortcut means the entire section. Okay, this section, this is called container section. Okay, container section shortcuts are different and editable section shortcuts are different. So anyway, no need to confuse on that point. Let's understand the shortcuts first. Shift+Enter, if I press, it will execute the current line item and move to the next line item. So if I'm in this line, Shift+Enter, automatically it will execute the current one and move to the next one. And there is one more is which I use mostly is Shift+Enter, but there are situations when we need to create a new line. After execution, you need to create a new line. So fine. So on that time, Alt+Enter. If you press Alt+Enter, it will execute the existing line item and it will create a new line item at the bottom. So it will create another line item or editable section at the bottom. So if you press Alt+Enter, another one is which is little different is Control+Enter. So Shift+Enter, Alt+Enter, Control+Enter. Control means it will not move to the next. The focus will be remain same in the same section. That is what will happen. So Control+Enter. It will not move. It will not nowhere it will move. It will be staying in the same section at the cell. Okay, so if I execute in this way, it will still remain same in the same section. Fine. So these are the three way I can execute a line item. Now moving to the other shortcuts. If I have, let's say, these two lines, correct, these two sections I have selected, you can see it is highlighted. Now I can press Shift+M. It will merge these all sections. So if you say Shift+M, it will merge this all, the entire code is merged into one section. Can you see that? And I can execute it, no worries. So if you have to merge section, you use this Shift+M. So sometimes I create, break the code and then I merge it, it becomes like this. Of course, by default, I no need to tell you, Control+V and Control+C and Control+V is universal. It works everywhere, here as well, no exception. Another you can check is, one more point I would like to highlight, shortcut which I use frequently is press O. The moment you press O, not in the coding section, but in the window, press O, automatically what will happen? When you press O, the output, whichever the output section will be minimized. Okay, so minimized, maximized, minimized, maximized. So the output is given. So somewhere, in Kaggle, we see couple of codes are there, but output is hidden. Actually, you just need to select that line item, press O, automatically it will expand. It will expand all the output or the selected line item output. So that is another command. Another command, of course, I have highlighted at the beginning, that all these shortcuts you will find here. If you press H, all the shortcut will be given there. Another shortcut, sometime I need to change this text or any code into some other markup language. So on that time, just M, press M at the section, select the line and press M. Automatically it will convert that particular coding into markup language automatically, whichever is so marked down. Okay, and based on that you can change later on. You can change this plate later on. And for that also there is no direct command. So if you wanted to convert that into heading 3, so just press 3, nothing else. So if imagine my focus is here and I press 3, that's it. Okay, so it will convert that into in headers. So similarly I can convert and change most frequently while coding. These are the command we use. All commands are there, and every commands you will find here, guys, and you can customize it also. You can edit it also. If you wanted to edit your shortcut based on your preference, you can do that also. That is also possible. So that's all about a very fundamental and most frequent shortcuts in Jupyter Notebook Python. Thank you, guys.